Welcome back to my channel, and today again I'm standing at Firefox Galaxy Gariahat to show you Firefox Kreed. So this is one of the unisex bike, so stick with me up till the end of the video to know every detail of this bike. But at first, let's hit the How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. So this is Firefox.
This is Firefox Kreed 24.
So, okay. Let's get started with the wheels at first.
Okay. The wheel is double wall alloy rims, and the tire is from Firefox, and there are disc brake from Jack, mechanical disc brake, and the front wheel is equipped with the quick release system and dual disc brake. And the gear is from Microchip, the rear derailleur and the front derailleur. The front chaining is 3 spoket is there, 1, 2, 3, and the rear is 7. So that makes 27 types of combination. And there are alloy pedals for better grip without shoes. And there is suspension fork for comfortable riding. And the handlebar and stem is made of lightweight alloy. And there are shifters, The seat is very comfortable, actually.
And what is the frame size?
The frame size is 14-inch.
Okay.
And
what else?
the price.
Yes.
Lastly, the price is 18,900. And there is a concession for PS Motors subscribers, but you have to subscribe PS Motors earlier.
So hope you have liked this video, guys. If you have liked it, hit the like button, share, subscribe. Of course, as our beloved Orco Pro said. And that was everything. Now let's get a glance at the next cycle. So see you in my next video.